timber, which is important, not just the ends. We're at 17.8, basically in across all the timber. We're around about that. You can see over here, pick a random one and stick it in. Now again, we're at 18, so we're under 20, so that is absolutely fine. And you can, that's across all of it. What are we on there? Yeah, we're about 21 there, so it's fine. There will be the odd one that's wet, but as we use it up, I'll just keep the meter to hand and just check it as I'm using it. If it's very wet, just put it to one side and let it dry off and use the other stuff. We're only here for a short while, maybe a week, maybe 10 days, so obviously I won't be able to use all of that in that amount of time on my own. So this stuff over here, well, that stuff over there was wetter and this stuff over here was drier. And let's have a look in the centre here. Wait, switch it on and go up to the mode, which is for larch and pine. That's the one I'm looking for. Wait, get sticking. Yeah, this one here, you can see that we're at 16 here. So this stuff's a bit drier, so probably I'll use this stuff. Yeah, we're going under 17, so probably this is the stuff to use first up. 19 18, sorry, and dropping. So, and on the bottom here, where it was near to the ground, which in theory it should be wetter, it's not. Again, it's 18, so it's fine. We can use any of that, probably. So tomorrow, it's what time is it now? It's about 6 o'clock in the evening now. So we've got the electric hooked up with the neighbour. We're settled in. Got our beds sorted out and whatever, and throwing out the mouse's nest that we found. And then it's on with this tomorrow. I know this is good, we checked it all before, so there's no problem. We know it's all level, but we know the spacings are all correct. So the plan is tomorrow is to go probably from this corner up to there, and then down there, and then across there's a diagonal. So that'll give you one piece that'll be absolutely correct.